Hi, this is Andrew from Nisi Naturals, and today I'm going to present two products to you for the wash and go. If you want to really do a wash and go, we have two products. We have the Imara cleansing conditioner, and this you can use, especially if you are a swimmer. You can use 3 times a week. You can use it as soon as you get out of the swimming pool. You can use this to wash your hair and get the chlorine out, and it will cleanse and condition without stripping your hair of its natural oils. And then once you finish, cleansing your hair with the Imara cleansing conditioner, you are going to also you're going to you know uh, use this leave-in conditioner, and this is a beautiful leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna leave directions on how you can get this conditioner. These are all natural. They don't have any parabens in them, no silicones, no petrochemicals, or anything that's dangerous for your hair. So I'm going to show you how you use them to do wash and goes. So first, you're going to wet your hair, as I'm going to do here with my daughter's hair, with warm water. You know, when you use warm water, it opens up the pores. So use warm water to wet your hair like this. Wet your hair. And then after you wet your hair, you are going to take generous amounts and I always like to apply it directly like this to the hair. But what you can do, apply generous amounts to your hair. Now you see how the S curl is defined when you're using this. One thing I forgot to do, shake well before use. That's one thing you have to shake the bottle well before using. Okay? And then apply. See that? Normally I would divide the hair in 4 parts, but I'm in a hurry. So I'm just gonna apply the cleansing conditioner to all the hair. But if you divide the hair, at least divide the hair into 2 parts. It'll be easier for you to apply. And you can do this as you detangle the hair. See that? And then you take the other part, do the same thing, and be generous. It It'll cleanse your hair without stripping it. Mm-hmm. And massage it to massage the scalp. Okay. Elizabeth, you need to move back a little bit so I can have room. So I'll be back after, actually, let's just rinse this. After you finish, you just rinse it out. The Imara cleansing conditioner is a herbal conditioner. It's rich with herbal teas, and it's going to help your hair tremendously. So you rinse it out until you've completely rinsed it out. Then you're going to use a t-shirt to dry your hair. Never use a towel to dry your hair. Okay? The towel, just messes up with your hair. Use a t-shirt and dry the excess water out. See that?